What's up, it's Tech Basis. In this video, I'm gonna guide you how you too can easily log into City. Step 1. Open your browser. Launch your preferred web browser, for example Google Chrome, Brave, Opera, etc. Step 2. Search city.com. In the address bar at the top of your browser windows, type in city.com and press enter. Step 3. Locate the login section. Once you are on the city.com homepage, look for the sign on or login button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Step 4. Enter your user ID and password. Write your user ID into the provided field and enter your password into respective field. Step 5. Click sign on or login. Once you have entered your credential and complete any necessary security verification, click on the sign on or login button to access your account. Step 6. Access your account. After successfully logging in, you should be directed to your account dashboard where you can manage your finance, view account balance, make transaction and more. Note, always ensure that you are logging into the official city.com website and not a fraudulent or phishing website. To ensure you are on the correct site, double check the website URL in the address bar to confirm the authenticity. That's it, you should now be logged into your city.com account. If you encounter any issue or have forgotten your user ID or password, there should be option on the login page to help you recover or reset your credentials. If this video was helpful, press that like button and hit the subscribe button to keep up with us.